So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hide like counts on Instagram here on the Instagram mobile application. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, go to the bottom right here and press on your profile. Then once you're here, go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Then press on where it says settings and privacy at the top. Then simply just scroll down until it says what you see and where it says, favorites, muted, suggested content, and hide likes. I want you to go ahead and press on hide likes. Then to hide likes, simply just go ahead and press on this option right here. And there you go. Now the amount of likes that you have on an image or a post, I should say, is now hidden. If you want to unhide it, just press the exact same thing. And there you go. That is how to hide the like count here on Instagram. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.